I've been in contingent staffing for 35 years. I've seen a lot of things come through this industry claiming to be the next big thing. The internet. Yes, the internet. Job boards, ATS systems, LinkedIn, and now AI. And every single time somebody said it was going to replace recruiters, it didn't. And this time is no different. But here's what is different. The recruiters who figure out how to use it are going to have a serious edge over the ones who don't. Let's be real about what AI is for a recruiter. It's not a robot that's going to call candidates and sweet talk a hiring manager. It can't read the room. It doesn't know that a client says they want 5 years of experience, but will absolutely hire someone with 3 if they've got the right attitude. What AI can do is handle the grunt work that eats your day alive, rewriting job descriptions, drafting tailored outreach messages, summarizing a resume in 30 seconds, building a Boolean search string, pulling together a market salary comparison. That stuff that used to take you an hour, AI knocks it out in seconds. Think about what you could do with all that time back, every day. Now, contingent staffing is its own animal. We're not doing a 6-week search. We're submitting candidates fast, the same day in most cases. Speed and volume are everything. AI fits into that world really well in a few specific spots. First, resume to job matching. You've got hundreds, maybe thousands of candidates sitting in your ATS. AI can help you match the top 10 candidates in seconds. Second, job order intake. When a new requirement comes in through the VMS and into your system, AI can help you quickly clean up the job description for the team to review and start searching immediately. Third, submittal write-ups. How much time do you spend wordsmithing a candidate summary before you submit them? AI gives you a solid, tailored first draft in seconds. You clean it up, you add the context only you know, and you submit. Done. Here's where we need to be straight with each other, because this matters. AI cannot build trust. And in contingent staffing, trust is the whole business. The client who emails you at 4:45 on a Friday because a lead warehouse person just walked out, they're not reaching out to an algorithm. They're reaching out to you because you've delivered in the past. The candidate who's nervous about taking a temp role because they're worried about what it looks like on their resume, AI isn't going to talk them off that ledge. We are. Relationships, judgment, instinct, reading people, knowing when to push and when to back off. Years of pattern recognition that lives in your head. AI doesn't have any of that. It never will. What it can do is free us up, so we spend more time with the candidates, not less. If you haven't started playing with AI tools yet, here's how I'd approach it. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. Pick one thing, just one. Maybe it's having AI help writing job postings for the next 2 weeks, or using it to draft your candidate outreach emails, or asking it to summarize a long resume before a phone screen. Do that one thing until it feels natural. Then add another. The learning curve is shorter than you think. These tools are built to be talked to like a person. You describe what you need, you give it some context, it gives you a starting point. You make it better. That's it. The recruiters I see struggling with AI are the ones trying to implement some massive system all at once. The ones winning are the ones who just started somewhere small and kept going. Look, I'm not here to tell anyone that AI is magic. It's a tool, a really useful one if you know how to use it. But the recruiters who treat it like a threat are going to spend the next few years watching other people work faster, submit more, and close more orders. This business has always rewarded the people who adapted. That's not changing. AI is just the next adaptation. And the good news is, this one actually makes your job easier. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, share it with somebody on your team who needs to hear it.